JUKI JIN Na-11UT, one needle, top and bottom feed, industrial Lockstitch machine, ideal for sewing heavy materials like leather, upholstery, canvas, Cordura. Top and bottom feed mechanism ensures smooth, even feeding of heavy or multi-layered materials, preventing fabric shifting or puckering. Powered by JUKI engineering, this model combines power, precision, and convenience, making it an ideal solution for demanding production environments. Built-in direct drive motor, energy efficient, quiet, and vibration-free, provides responsive operation and maximum comfort for the operator. User-friendly built-in panel for quick sewing mode and function adjustments. Key automatic features such as start and back tack, thread trimming, presser foot lift, and needle positioning ensure professional quality results with less effort. Maximum stitch length increased to 8 millimeters. Ideal solution for thick fabrics and multi-layer sewing with heavy-duty thread. The extended arm, 261 by 130 millimeters, provides extra space for handling bulky items like bags, workwear, and car seats. Sew more, stop less. The double capacity hook reduces bobbin changes, especially when working with thick threads. Capable of sewing complex multi-layer constructions, including materials reinforced with plastic or foil. The machine also handles thick sections and cross seams with ease. Automatic thread trimming, back tacking, and presser foot lift can be easily enabled or disabled via the control panel buttons. The sewing area features 2 buttons, one for step-by-step stitching, the other for reverse. Switch to reverse mode using the lever or simply press the button. Built-in bright LED lights improve visibility in the workspace and reduce operator fatigue. The machine is in stock and ready to order. Discover more smart sewing solutions at PrizzySewing.com